Hello and welcome back to this channel. For new visitors, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more updates. For this video of Android Kotlin programming tutorial, you will learn about, since this video will be uploaded on November 1 and like in late Halloween special. Yes. So Halloween November 1, we use the candle. So our topic for today is how to display candlestick chart. full, full details Android chart tutorial series for Kotlin using Android Studio for 2023 tutorial like this one. This candlestick commonly used for crypto trading or stock trading. So for a reminder, you can pause the video, then type the codes. If you watched the previous tutorial, here is the quick overview of the library used in this tutorial. J MacOS 3.v1, the version, the Gradle properties, and wrapper, Gradle properties, and setting the Gradle. That's it. If you watch the previous tutorial, you set up the chart. But for now, we need to set up this into, just delete this and then type candlestick. So just rename the XML. So for now, we need to delete this data, then delete this data, then delete this, and then delete this for now. Candlestick chart data set. Okay. So for the release, we need to use the candle entry. This is it. So for the candle entry, we need to use this. For now, let's use only the one value. For the, I will explain later the settings. Let's put the value one float. Later on, I will explain this for numbers. Okay, candle data entry. Since we use this, must use the candle set, and then just chart. We paste and then paste, and then just copy paste and paste. This is the paste again. Okay, that's it. We have an error. Okay, then I just want to rename this dataset. Paste and paste. Okay, paste again. So that's it for the. And lastly, just copy paste to display the data chart, then that data, then equals to data. That's it. I forgot this to delete this. Okay, let's fix the error, and then forget this 1F close. I can explain that later. But first, we must finish the setup for the data set. Just copy this data set. That's it, and then the color. This off. Just ignore this color, then red, and that's it. This colors because it's an array. That's it. Then dataset. The next attribute is the shadow color. See it. Then I prefer the white color. since our default background is black, so we must use the white. The next is dataset.shadow width, then tree flow. I will demonstrate later what is the shadow width, shadow color. But first, let's finish this code, initial code. Then the next is decrease color on the color red. This is the, we call this if the chart is going down. So the default color or most commonly used is red color if there is a down, and the decreasing paint style equals to paint that style that fill. So for the positive side or the pump side, dataset, this color, and then color green, the most commonly used color when there's a pump or upper movement. Excuse me. The next is dataset, and also we need to use the English painting style. Paint that style that fill and stroke. You can use this any of two, so I prefer to use this. And then last is dataset, that's set drawable value, then false. Now we complete the dataset customization. The next is the candle. Just copy this, then validate, then need to customize this. The common legend is enabled. I prefer those false legend. Description that is enabled false. That label that set no data text. If there is no data, we must display this title on the chart. Available. No data available. The next is hiding the chart axis. Then the common minimum 0 flow axis. Next is right axis minimum, and then 0 flow. And the next is axis that set touch. This is an optional features if you want to. Okay, just scroll down, and next is set pinch zoom equals true. Can zoom out. Lastly, if you want to animate the chart when opening it, animate X and Y. That's it. One duration for X and Y. That's it. 1 second, 1000. That's it for the now. So I've explained what is the purpose of this. In candle entry, this is the position for column 1. The shadow. Where's our chart? This is the shadow up, the first enter, and then the shadow low is this the mark, and the open, this is the open. If we go first position, and then close is the last position or close position. So maybe our chart is to 100 the shadow, and then I think 25 for now, and then the open position I think is 15. uh, and then the close position is what do you call this, dapat the open positions must be higher from shadow low, like on this chart. We need that. We need this in a higher value than the from this data. So I suggest to 35, and then I will close this. Basically decrease this and then close to 20. Means that this will be start in from higher to lower or going to dump side. For explanation, I will build this up. While waiting to build this up, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more updates. If you like this video or if you want to support the developer, okay, you can buy me a copy in the description below. So this is the column 1, this and the shadow. This is the shadow from the top, and the shadow low. This is the corner line, and then open position start from 35, then close to 20. So let's stop this, then copy, then paste. So let's try to open. Just copy 20, and then 35. Let's just pass up to 20. So the shadow we want to the gap want to close to 20. So I want to 35. Close gap to open position. And then the shadow is 45. So somehow we need to vary the shadow or the line. I forgot this. Where's the power up again? Here it is. So the shadow is 15. We need to level up into 45. I think 35 or 30 if you want to. So let's build again. So our objective is for the second column is that I forgot this position because let's just change it. Let's stop and then build again. So this is it. Our first line is, since the shadow is closely gapped to our open position, so this is it. Then the close position is 45, so it means the open start from low then going to high, so the position will be higher. So our pump value, so if you want to see the view, I forget the lag. On the emulator you can zoom it down. So our shadow is 20. How about I need to increase the size of the shadow or the line from this to show the value. Since this is, if you see this is 60, so we can increase this to 60 shadow, the open position 45, and then yes. So we want to have a more gap. Let's down to 20, and we can add more value for this. For the column 3, don't forget this. We want to highest value shadow is 75, and then if you want to, let's say 15, then close to uh, let's make it 45, then close to 15 to make the third column in dump, but we need to allowance from the shadow and the close position. So let's try again. Let's show this. So this is it. Okay, the value. This is our third chart position. This first, because the first column is red because it is dump starting from 35 and close to 20, and the second is from starting to 20 and close to 45, and the third is starting from 45 then going down to 45 line. Let's add some line if we want to add and to make some dot. And also we can add this another customize. Just copy this again and then control face, then we can modify the zoom, and there's a scale of the 4. You need to input the 4 value, scale X and scale Y float, and then focus on maybe 1x and then y1 y axis, and then let's add again the third value. I want to start the dump position from 65 then close to 55, so the highest value is 65. That's okay because our highest line is 75 and this is the 55 closest value. Maybe we need to cap this 25, and then the shadow width we can customize this into 1, and then let's build again. So we are entering for the 4 candle stick. So we set up the zoom for when opening the app. We set the zoom in the chart or the default zoom in. So this is the initial. If we zoom out, oh, I forgot this. You need to change the value. If we don't change the value on X value, they will go to the same scenario like this one. So the shadow width, because we adjust it or decrease it, so the thickness of the line down to on this one. This is the shadow height, the bump version. So let's start to build again and see what happened. Our chart for today, there's a bump, there's a dump, so we need to zoom out again. So that's it, the 4th chart, because we customize the 4th chart. The shadow height, this 75 line 75, and then the open is 65, then going down to 55, and the shadow low is starting from 25 going down. So that's it. So lastly, for the tutorial, we can add this another customize to your chart. So binding chart, then legend. That's it. Then let's copy this legend, is enable group. So we can legend platform equals to legend dot legend form, and then form line. So lastly, legend dot text size, I think type float is enough. Then legend dot text color, since our background is black, so our text color is white. For that, sorry, white. So let's create to our fifth chart. I think starting from 27, then 39, 41. Okay, and then we need to close this. The shadow height is, the max value is 41, so we need to close as soon as possible into 50. And then the low value is 27, so I think 20 is enough for this. So we expected this the green pattern, because we start from 27, pump into 41. So I will comment this zoom to view the chart. So this is it again. So this is our third value, the fifth value of candlestick. Start from 27 position, then pump to 41 position. The shadow low is starting from 20, and the shadow high is 50. So that's it. And then this is the legend. If you can view, this is the candlestick dataset, the legend, and the title is this label. And lastly, the background. Let's add this. We can customize the background of the chart. Okay, we'll just copy this again. Candle chart, then set row. Set row grid. Background true. Then so set grid. Grid background. Oh, sorry. Grid background. Okay, that's it. Then color. Light gray. I think that's enough. Then last is we can set the border. Enable this set draw border. You can customize the border. Set draw border. True. Then let's enter our sixth chart. 6 candlestick. Just change the value again. The count. I will start from 12. I want to pump this. Then 27 plus 41. 68. Okay. So our open position is 12. So I need to close this 15, 12, and then our high position is 60. So I need to adjust the height, maybe 78 to see the line. So that's it. So just run again and see this difference. Okay, for this, so we add the background. Let's do this. This is the background, white color, and this is our last candlestick, or the 6th candlestick, starting from the position of 12, then ending to 60. So that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for more updates and Android programming tutorial. If you like this video, add some reviews and thank you comment for this tutorial. Again, thanks for watching.